Now, let me show you how we can delete weather locations on your Mac. So first of all, you can see I have the widget of the weather. So if I want to delete it, I can right click on it and click on remove widget. It's going to disappear, but this only applies to the widget. So now if we open up the weather application like this, you can see that I have some locations in the left portion. And if I want to delete them, all I have to do is essentially swipe left on the individual location like this, and the trash folder appears. So I can click on it like that. It's going to be removed, but it's just not going to appear in my list anymore. I can always add it back if I wanted to, but like I can click on a delete like that, it's gonna disappear. So right now you can see I have Vienna twice in here, so I'm gonna remove it like that, and then now it's gonna be gone as well. So as I said, if you ever want to bring it back, just go to the search, type in the Berlin or whatever, we just delete it like that, and we can add it back with the plus button like this. So that's how you can control the weather locations on your computer. Let me know what you think about that below in the comments. I'm going to wrap up the video right now, and I'll see you later in the next uploads in the future.